Hello, future millionaires. Welcome back to Forbes Finance, where we break down money, investing, and financial freedom in a way that actually makes sense. So let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your bank account, saw a lonely $100 sitting there, and thought, this isn't enough to do anything with? Well, think again. Because today, I'm going to show you how to turn that small $100 bill into the foundation of your financial future. No gimmicks, no lottery tickets. Just smart, simple, strategic steps that anyone can follow, even if you're starting from scratch. So if you're ready to make your money work for you instead of just working for your money, hit that like button and let's dive in. Why $100 is more powerful than you think. Let's kick this off with some truth. $100 won't make you rich overnight, but it will change your mindset forever. Because investing isn't about how much you start with, it's about starting it all. Every dollar is a seed. And when you invest it, you're giving that seed a chance to grow into something much bigger thanks to something called compound growth. Albert Einstein supposedly called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. And when you understand how powerful it is, even $100 becomes a serious tool for wealth creation. Think about this. If you invest $100 and keep adding just $25 a week at a 10% annual return, you'd have over $21,000 in 10 years. Now imagine you stick to that for 20 years. You're looking at 6 figures. So yes, your $100 matters a lot. Step 1. Set a clear financial goal. Before we get into where to put your money, let's talk about why you're investing. Ask yourself, are you saving for a car? Planning for early retirement? Trying to build a freedom fund so you can quit your 9-to-5 someday? Your reason will shape your investment strategy. Now here's a powerful tool. SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to be rich someday, say, I want to have $20,000 saved for a business in 3 years. That's a SMART goal. You'll know what you're working toward, and your $100 will have a purpose, not just potential. Step 2. Know your risk appetite. Now, every investment involves some risk. Even holding cash has inflation risk. So you need to understand your risk tolerance. Are you the type who can stomach seeing your money drop 10% in a week and still sleep at night? Or would that make you panic and sell everything? There's no right or wrong answer, but knowing where you stand helps you decide how aggressive or conservative to be. Younger investors can afford to take more risk. They've got time to recover from market dips. Older investors or those nearing financial goals, they may want safer, steadier returns. Not sure where you stand? Try a free online risk tolerance quiz. It's like a personality test for your money. Step 3. Best ways to invest your first $100. All right, you're clear on your goals. You know your risk profile. Now let's talk about how to actually put your $100 to work. Option 1. Fractional shares of stocks or ETFs. You don't need thousands of dollars to invest in big-name companies anymore. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab let you buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest $5 in Amazon or $20 in Tesla. Want something more stable? Look into ETFs like DVO, tracks the S&P 500 VTI entire US stock market. These give you instant diversification, all with just a few dollars. Option 2. Robo-advisors. Not into picking stocks? Let a robot do it. Apps like Betterment or Wealthfront create a diversified portfolio for you, based on your goals and risk level. You can start with as little as $10 and they rebalance it for you. Hands-off investing. Option 3. Micro-investing apps. Apps like Acorns or Stash help you invest your spare change automatically. Spend $4.50 on coffee. They round it up to $5 and invest the 50 cents. It adds up surprisingly fast. Bonus. They also teach you investing basics along the way. Step 4. How to open your first investment account. Now, here's the good news. Opening an investment account is easier than ever. Just go to your preferred app or brokerage's website and follow these simple steps. Create an account, like any other app. Fill in your personal details, name, address, SSN for tax purposes. Link your bank account, fund it with $100. Choose your first investment, and boom, you're in the game. Pro tip, start with a Roth IRA if you're in the US. It's tax-advantaged and a perfect home for long-term investments. Step 5, learn while you grow. Here's where most beginners go wrong. They invest once and never learn anything new. But your financial knowledge should grow right along with your portfolio. So start small. Read books like The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Listen to podcasts like The Money Guy Show. Watch channels like Graham Stefan, Andre Geek, and of course, Forbes Finance. As you learn more, you'll be able to make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Step 6. Track and rebalance. Once you're invested, don't ghost your portfolio. You don't need to check it every day, but set a reminder to review things once a quarter. Ask yourself, is your asset allocation still right for your goals? Has one part grown too much or too little? Do you need to rebalance or diversify more? Also, check if you're paying any hidden fees. Those can eat into your returns over time. Many apps show this clearly now, so keep an eye out. Step 7. Be consistent, even with small amounts. Here's a golden rule of wealth. Consistency beats intensity. It's not about investing one big chunk and forgetting about it. It's about investing small amounts regularly, no matter what. Even $20 a week turns into over $1,000 a year. Stack that with compounding, and you're building serious momentum. Set up automatic contributions so you don't even have to think about it. Treat investing like a non-negotiable bill. Future you will thank you. So, let's recap. You started with just $100. You set a clear goal, understood your risk, picked the right investment strategy, opened your first account, committed to learning. And most importantly, you started. Remember, every millionaire investor started as a beginner. The only difference between them and you is they started earlier. So start today. Your $100 isn't just money, it's momentum. If this video helped you feel more confident about taking that first step, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Forbes Finance for more money-making moves every single week. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your financial goal this year? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep investing in your future.